Hello, cookies, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I have some items that I picked up from Coach Outlet. And this item I picked up off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below if it's still available. So don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video. And thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with your girl. So let's get into the video. And then let's get into this. This is the Leather Cosmetic Case. And I might just do my Rogue separately. Oh, look at this. Don't you just love Coach packaging? It's so cute. This came from the outlet. It's fun. This is what it's looking like. Oh, look at this. This is the bottom. I love the dual zippers. This is the back. And then, of course, this is the top. It has the Coach tag. This is cute. It has the like top handle. And then it has a mirror here, and then here at the bottom. Oh, it has a little pocket here with care instructions. The tag, Leather Cosmetic Case, color black. Oh, it's darling. And then it has the little sides to put like toiletry items here on the side. Nice. This is cute. And then it's it's two in the front here as well. So this is nice. And then this is the bottom of it. It's like a wipeable material. This is so cute. Yeah. It's a little firm, but oh, this is so cute. Yeah, so that's that. All right, let me get to the other. Okay, this box is a little heavy, but don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. Okay. Ooh, can anybody guess what it is? Oh, that looks like fun. This is my first Coach Rogue. I always felt like they were kind of heavy, but when I saw this one on the outlet reserve section, I couldn't resist it. So I just have electric multicolor here. Let's get into the bag. Okay, I guess that's, oh, here we go. It doesn't look like it's brand new. It looks like it could have been used. This is it. The Walt Disney World. Look at the camera and the flower and the hat. Minnie and a Mickey Mouse. Adorable. This is the side. It's like red pebble leather with this brown. Oh, this is too cute. It is a little heavy though, but look at that. It has the 4 feet. And this is the top. It has the Coach tag with the carriage. And what does it say? Walt Disney World. Cute. It has this back pocket. It feels like a suede or fabric lining. Let's take this out. And then this one has the front credit card slot. Oh, my stomach. Oh, here's the tag. My stomach's been bubbling all day today. But let me show you the tag. Oops. Electric red multi Disney Parks Mickey Robe 25. So it's a 25. And then here's the straps. I love this peanut butter or this light color. It's cute. And then this is the other strap. This is what it looks like. Oh, cute. And then this is the inside. It comes with the Coach dust bag. And then this is what the inside looks like. Now, I've seen some of these on eBay, and then it has the snap pocket in the back. And they kind of look slouchy after so long, but it has a little weight to it, but it's not too bad. It's really cute, you guys. So cute. Look at the chunky zippers. Oh, it's adorable. Yay! Let me know if you guys want to see what's in my bag on this. You know, sometimes I don't do what's in my bag, but this one is so darling. So, you guys want to see what else I got? One second. Oh, cute. And then I have this. Let's try this one first. This is cute. This is called the Gold Swinger Chain Charm. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the bow, bling bling. The cherries, the sea, the butterfly, and the strawberry. Oh, this is adorable. So pretty. Oh, it's so cute. And then I got this one. I seen this on Hey Lady, walnut and black. But I had already ordered mine. So it was here. I just was busy. I've been busy. Girl, been busy. Oh, this is cute. Oh, so cute. I'll probably do a short on this one. This is what this looks like. Oh, I love it. How stuffed it is. But no, it doesn't look like any pockets. Nice. This is so cute. It's like a little wristlet. Yeah, it reminds me of my other one. Do I have it right here? Yeah. It's the same size as this one. It looks like, except it has on a wristlet strap, which is cute. These are the same exact size, except this one has a little pocket in it, if you guys can see the pocket, and this one doesn't have a pocket. Yep, this got like a little Coach tag in it. This is kind of nice with the wristlet, but yeah, cute. Okay, let's do the next box. We are making a mess here today. Or the next package, I should say. And this one. I was thinking about the smaller one, but I do really enjoy this size. Oh, my stomach. It's really got some serious bubbles. today. Oh my goodness, it sounds like thunder and lightning. Okay, what's this? Medium ID zip wallet leopard. Cute. And this one has an ID window in it. So yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. ID 1, 2, 3, 4. I like this one a lot. This yeah, it has 2 slides there, and I like it because it zips around and it's nothing hanging off of it. Oh, so I'm gonna move right into this wallet. I think it's so cute. So thumbs up the video, and I'll see you cookies in the next video. Oh, this is gonna look so cute on my bag. Oh, I have so many ideas for this. Super cute. Peace out. Deuces. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you cookies in the next video. Peace out. Deuces.